Hi, today I am going to show you how to install Xampp on your Windows 10. First of all, I go to Google and just write Xampp and then go to Apache Friends.organization. Click this link and then choose for Windows 10 version. So this is for Windows 10 Windows version. Then I already downloaded. So it's 2 minutes. So after I download it, okay, download is complete. Then now I open the folder, jump in here, then I click run as an administrator. Okay, then I choose yes. Then now set is the important because the activate user account control. Click OK. Then after click next. Then click everything. Then because it's showing in here C drive, so do not install in a C drive. Just change the drive, and then I already created a folder. It's called something like project and project. Then click a new folder is Xampp. Then click OK. Then next. Then next. So it is installation now. And if you install in C drive, sometime it's going, if you have got Skype in your desktop install, then it's gonna crash the 4443. So it's better install in the separate drive. It's not C drive, any drive you can install unless C drive. So now it's going to install the package. Okay, it's nearly finished. Okay, then it's HTTPS EX, the public private network as the home network. This is okay, all access. Because I have got Windows antivirus setup, so it's showing me the some access there blocked. So it's Okay, so it's now finished. Language is set up English, save. Now it's already in here. So then see is it started or no. Apache and MySQL. So because it's the Windows G5 firewall has worked some of this app, so I just private allow access. Okay, it's working. Thanks for watching my video.